Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since we last posted. We've been busy, but now we're back here doing a client's house. They're gonna move in next week, so we're gonna go ahead and take care of their carpet, their tile and grout, and hardwood floor. You're gonna see in the carpet too, we have to do some stretching. So let's take a look inside and see all we have to do. Master bedroom is complete. Got the carpet cleaning done. We also finished the tile over there. Now Michael's over here working on the other side of the house. And we're also gonna prep for the hardwood floor cleaning downstairs.